Hi everyone. Today I would like to show you how to fix this. This is very expensive speaker from Tannoy, and somebody just poke a finger on this tweeter, and this thing get inside. So all you need, you have to take the bottle, any juice bottle, and then you have to cut it half like this, and you see this can fit in over there. Then you need this air blower, pressure air blower. So what we're gonna do, because it throw air from here and suck from this one. So we're gonna use this, and then we go like this, and then we turn. You see, almost there. A little bit more. And then you slowly pull it out. The tweeter is fixed. Thank you for watching. I hope this simple tip will help many people to fix their speakers. Bye bye.